Decomposition, single displacement, double displacement, combustion, and synthesis. Today, we will discuss 5 main chemical reaction types and give examples inside your body. Our bodies are bustling with countless microscopic workers, tirelessly dismantling and rebuilding the molecules that fuel our every move. This internal demolition crew, known as enzymes, ensure life's processes flow smoothly. But, like any crew, they need work balance. Without proper disposal, the debris of breakdown accumulates, leading to chaos and damage. Take hydrogen peroxide, created during the dismantling of other molecules. In small amounts, it plays a role in cell signaling, but, left unchecked, it transforms into a toxic tyrant, capable of harming cellular machinery. Catalase, a superstar enzyme found in our liver, steps in. It acts as a master recycler, breaking down hydrogen peroxide into harmless water and oxygen gas. This is an example of a decomposition reaction. A decomposition reaction is going to be one that breaks down molecules. Our decomposition reaction is where we have one reactant breaking down into multiple simpler products. The general pattern for a decomposition reaction is AB decomposes into A plus B. Our reaction in the body is hydrogen peroxide's decomposition. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen. With each breath, oxygen molecules waltz into our blood while carbon dioxide waltzes out. This intricate cycle sustains our very existence, fueling our cells and ensuring smooth operation. If this dance falters, the consequences can be fatal. The key players are red blood cells, equipped with a protein hemoglobin, their molecular taxi fleet for oxygen. In the lungs, hemoglobin scoops up oxygen molecules and whisks them across the body's highways, the blood vessels. At each destination, these tiny taxis unload their precious cargo and swap for the waste product carbon dioxide. This is a nice example from the body of a single replacement reaction. In a single replacement reaction, we have one element replacing a similar element in a compound. The general reaction pattern for a single replacement is A plus BC reacts to form AC plus B. Our example from our body is the reaction of hemoglobin carrying oxygen around the body and then swapping it for carbon dioxide to take out of the body. Brushing your teeth with fluoride toothpaste might seem like a routine act, but behind the scenes, chemistry magic is happening, and it directly impacts your health. Imagine your tooth enamel as a fortress constructed of calcium phosphate bricks. Along comes the knight in shining armor, fluoride ions from your toothpaste. These tiny warriors infiltrate the enamel, encountering the resident calcium ions. A friendly exchange ensues, with the fluoride ions taking the place of some calcium ions. This swap results in the formation of a new, sturdier compound called calcium fluoride, acting like a reinforced shield on your enamel. This dance, known as a double replacement reaction, plays a crucial role in strengthening your tooth enamel and protecting against cavities. Let's dive into our double replacement reaction. In our double replacement reaction, we have 2 elements replacing similar elements in compounds. The general reaction pattern for a double replacement reaction is AB plus CD reacts to form AD plus CB. Example from our body is how we have fluoride protecting our calcium teeth after we brush our teeth. Fluoride starts off with the sodium in your toothpaste, and he ends up being with the calcium in your teeth. The sodium in our toothpaste picks up the phosphate that was with our calcium. Imagine this. You hit the gym, primed to push your limits and sculpt your physique. Your muscles buzz with anticipation, ready to ignite into action. But then a sputter, a flicker, and the inferno within starts to fade. This isn't just a motivational slump, it's a biochemical reality. The combustion fueling your movements is faltering. At the heart of this fiery process lies glucose, the body's primary fuel source. Locked within its cage, this precious sugar awaits liberation. This is where cellular respiration steps in, a furnace fueled by oxygen, where glucose undergoes a dramatic transformation. Through a complex dance of chemical reactions, oxygen unlocks the energy trapped within glucose, releasing it in the form of ATP, the very currency of cellular work. The combustion reaction, the engine that propels us through workouts and powers our lives. Let's talk about the combustion reaction. Combustion reaction is where a substance reacts with oxygen to produce energy. The general pattern of a combustion reaction is a substance plus oxygen react to form energy plus water and carbon dioxide. Typically, that substance is a hydrocarbon. Now, because the hydrocarbon can be a different substance, a lot of times the products will vary as well, but energy is always a product. Our example from the body is cellular respiration, the breakdown of glucose. So we have glucose plus oxygen react to form ATP plus water and carbon dioxide. Life hinges on a constant back and forth between breakdown and construction. While we sleep, the tempo of decomposition slows, allowing the other tireless builders, synthesis, to work their magic. Tissues mend, bones strengthen, and muscles ready for tomorrow's challenges. During sleep, protein synthesis takes center stage, crafting new proteins from individual amino acids like skilled bricklayers. Imagine them carefully joining these blocks, forming intricate protein structures that restore and strengthen our internal landscapes. Finally, we have our synthesis reaction. A synthesis reaction is where we have two or more reactants combining to form a single product. This is like the opposite of our decomposition reaction. The general reaction pattern for our synthesis is A plus B reacts to form AB. And our example from the body is having multiple amino acids combine to make a protein. Every bite you take, every breath you inhale, that fire within, it's all this mesmerizing choreography of chemical reactions, a hidden symphony that keeps you alive. Decomposition, single replacement, double displacement, combustion, and synthesis are all vital to our survival. Let me know in the comments down below how you are going to make sure your chemical reactions stay in balance. Hello friends, thank you for watching to the end. Again, if you found value to this video, please hit that like button, and you can always click one of these to see more of me. Bye bye!